Hi, I'm Ryan Lambert, a writing consultant for the Colorado School of Mines Writing Center. In this video, you will learn about synthesis. Simply put, synthesis is when you take the ideas, words, graphs, charts, and formulas from other writers and put those things into your own writing. Synthesis is when you blend information from different sources to create a new understanding of a topic. It's more than just repeating facts, though. It's about analyzing, comparing, and connecting ideas from all of the sources you have collected for your paper. While synthesizing, you, much like the scholars whom you cite, can participate in a conversation in your field. When you engage in synthesis, you're not just summarizing others. You're actively joining the discussion and adding your own thoughts. As you write, keep these key steps about synthesis in mind. First, identify the conversation. Before you start synthesizing, understand what others have said about your topic. What are the main ideas and debates? Consider, too, scheduling a meeting with a librarian at your college or university. She or he will help you to discover the big names in your field and the big names writing on your topic. Secondly, compare sources. Look closely at each source. Are they reliable? What are the key points? Compare and contrast the different views. For example, one source may point out how sodium-ion batteries work just as well as lithium-ion batteries, but another source might discuss how bulky sodium-ion batteries are. A third source might state the need to move away from lithium-ion batteries. Next, create a thesis statement. Know that your thesis statement comes from the conversation your sources are having. The thesis is your contribution to knowledge. Furthermore, organize your thoughts. Think about how you'll present your ideas. It's like creating a roadmap so your reader can follow your thought process easily. Consider making an outline with your major points that support your argument. Let's say your thesis is, quote, "The U.S. Department of Energy needs to invest more in wind technology," end quote. You might have a section on cost and a section on reliability. You can then place information from the various sources you have collected about wind cost in your cost section. That way you will be able to join that discussion with the other authors. Please see the handout for a sample body paragraph that makes use of synthesis. Thank you.